The recent call by the Kano state government for the removal of the Commissioner of Police is highly politically motivated and deeply concerning. At a time when the peace and stability of our dear state is under threat and at stake, such a move only raises further question about the true intention of those in authority.
While we respect the office of His Excellency Governor Abubakar Yusuf, we believe that the Kano State Commissioner of Police deserves this support and respect, because the Commissioner of Police has been doing well. He is doing very well in maintaining peace, unity in the Kano State.
We are coming out on the streets today on behalf of the entire people of Kano State in solidarity march in respect of the issue concerning CP of Kano State. He is kind of person we want, and he is the person that since when he came to Kano, everything has come, everything has been going normal. People have confidence on him.